I should have stayed in bed today by Prelutsky. I should have stayed in bed today, in beds where I belong. As soon as I got up today, things started to go wrong. I got a splinter in my foot. My puppy made me fall. I squirted toothpaste in my ear and crashed into the wall. I knocked my homework off the desk. It landed on my toes. I spilled a glass of chocolate milk. It's soaking through my clothes. I accidentally bit my tongue. It really made me moan. And it was far from funny when I banged my funny bone. I scrubbed my knees. I bumped my nose. I sat upon a pin. I leapt up with alacrity and sharply barked my shin. I stuck a finger in my eye. The pain is quite severe. I better get right back to bed and stay there for a year.